In today's video, I'll teach you how to get live bait on screen. So if you want to get a live bait on your screen, for that what you have to do is simply download the application which allows you to do that. For Android devices, there are various applications like Bits on Screen, Yumo, Anime Simenzi Bait, etc. So for that, open the Play Store on your device. After you do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you can do is simply search for your favorite live bait application. For me, I'm just going to search for Yumo over here. You can also download other applications if you want. So what you have to do is tap on the app that you would like to install. Now tap on the install option and it will be installed. Right now I've already installed it. If you're using the iOS device, Pixel Pals can be the best application for getting the live bait. So what you have to do is simply open the application that you just installed. For me, it's Yumo. So after you do that, what you have to do is grant the permissions. Make sure to grant the notification permission and overlay permission for this particular application. Now in this app, you'll be able to see various characters over here. You'll also be able to see various pets. So what you have to do is tap on the pet that you would like to get on your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to see the play icon over here. Simply tap on it. Now after that, if you look at the top, you'll be able to see the pet over here. So like this, you'll be able to get a live pet. So that is how you get live pet on screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.